beautiful here, as you can see. About an hour and a half away. Plans kind of changed. Gonna do that 3-day trip, but they were calling for snow and like +1, just rainy and cold and crappy. So we decided to say not to do the 3-day trip, but just come camp out for 3 days. It's a long weekend. So we came out here. We're gonna be doing the Pine Pass today at some point once some other guys show up. Got the gimbal for the Busa, so that's gonna be a little bit of different footage. There's a couple other YouTubers that do it. I don't know, I've just been big into the gimbals because they make the footage look so cool. So here we go, we got a couple bikes here. Some familiar looking bikes. But yeah, that's what I'm riding today.
So yeah, I couldn't do Pine Pass, so we're just gonna do East Pine.
Yeah, hopefully we'll be able to do the Pine Pass next weekend or the weekend after.
Yeah. Yeah, once you get your Ninja.
Yes, sir. I can't wait. There go the boys around the corner.
Oh man, if you can go on my inside, I can get you with that side camera.
I'll do it right now, coming in.
Yeah, you're dragging her. Hell yeah, man.
Beautiful. Okay, we'll pass this trailer here and catch up. Again.
Yeah.
Should we stay behind them for the turns or pass them before?
I could try and get some. We can try and get some footage of them on this turn, maybe, I guess, and then we'll blow by them.
Yeah, we can blow by them on that straightaway down there.
And blast them by them.
On your right.
Okay, I'm cruising by this pickup. I'll let you fly by my inside.
Over to the right. Inside's yours.
Big bump here, I think, on the inside.
Say again?
There's a bump here.
On the inside.
Take this van.
In here.
Go down, take me on the inside.
Okay, here I come.
Ah!
Bumps up ahead.
Fucking northern roads. Take on the inside. Oh, it's a fun hill.
Fucking awesome, bro. Fuck yeah.
We're good.
Right behind ya.
Wait for this guy. Moving out. Oh, we got another guy. Holy shit, I think we're already at the store.
I think so, yeah. No time at all.
Yeah, man, making good time. So I love it with these bikes, man. You can just like cruise on her and just,
The ground.
oh man, like nothing.
This is definitely it.
Yeah. Yeah, they'll be probably 10 minutes behind. Maybe not quite that much, but I'll go on this first one here. Oh fuck, man, that was fun.
That was awesome. I can't wait to get my Super Sport.
Oh man, it's just eating away at you.
So man, even this V-Rod, like 0 to 60 and 3 flat, tops out at 250. Like for a fucking Harley.
Oh man, can't beat it for having fun on for a Harley.
Right. We still got to get a video of this thing taking to 600.
Yeah, I want to see that. That's gonna be good, man.
Yeah, it'll be awesome.
Stay tuned for that. Some 600 versus Harley action. Well, fucking A, bro.
Fuck, that was sweet, man. Good ride.
Fuck yeah.
Now we play the waiting game.
Yeah, no doubt.